Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the tray from the housing. Remove the access panel. You can raise the vent to the on position by starting your car and pushing the recirculating air button. Unclip the 3 tabs from the filter frame to remove it, and clean out any debris inside. Remove the old filter. Insert your new AQ1102 filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the frame into the housing to clip it into place. Reinstall the housing cover. Reinstall the tray. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.